everyone! This week I am going to be doing a what I'm packing for Taiwan video. I'm going to Taiwan in like a week. Yay, finally! My summer's finally going to start, even though everyone else's has already been going on for like 2 months, but I have summer classes, so anyway, I'm going to Taiwan for like a month, and then I'll be back for school, but I have to pack clothes and stuff for a month. Away! Let's go. Okay, first thing is pants. Taiwan is like the hottest place in the world, so I usually bring like a million pairs of shorts. Here's one. A lot of them are actually in a hamper right now, so I'll wash them and then pack them up. But I also like am here for another week, so I can't pack everything up, but I can get started. Shorts. These are my shorts that I really like. Black one. They're so plain. I've been wanting a black one for so long, and then I finally got it. And I've only worn it once because I'm scared to get them gross and wrinkled. But first pair. Second pair is another one of my favorites, but it's a new favorite because I didn't really expect to like this, but I got it and it's so nice, so comfortable, so long, very cargo. And I'm definitely gonna bring the things that are in the hamper because they're in the hamper for a reason. Like I wear them. My leather shorts. Oh my god, I love these. They make everything look good. I learned recently, because I used to bring like literal outfits and then it's like these pants don't go with anything else, so I'll just wear this with that. But I learned recently that if you just bring a bunch of things you wear a lot, like basic, it'll make life so much easier because there's so many possibilities, so many things you can do. These ones I also really like. They might be a little scandalous. Maybe these ones. Maybe these ones. But if I already have a pair of denim ones, those are some short possibilities. On second thought, I think I'm gonna cut some because I can't bring everything in my closet. Yeah, so I'm gonna check out this one, the one with the holes. Also because I already have a pair of denim one that I wear a lot. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of shorts should be enough. Okay, next thing is tops. I'll have to bring some tops and then some tanks, I guess. Okay, so I'm definitely bringing this because like t-shirt, basic. Well, this is green, but I'm gonna also bring a black and white one. Should I bring this? This is a longer t-shirt. Like it's not cropped, and I usually wear high-waisted stuff. I don't know. I'll think about this one. Where are my t-shirts? Oh, my t-shirts might also be in the hamper because these are the things I wear. Oh yeah, this t-shirt I also want to bring because it's just a plain graphic thing. You know what? Yeah, I think the rest are in the hamper. I'm really bringing this one, the tank top I'm wearing right now. And also a black one of that, and then a plain black t-shirt. And I have a white one of this too, but I didn't find it. Here it is. Okay, but let me move on to skirts first, because I think I'm gonna bring like 2 skirts that I wear the most. Definitely like the plain black one, because I feel like that's so useful, so helpful. I really like this one. Ooh, do I need skirts? Oh, I'm gonna bring a long one too, just in case the occasion calls for it. My long skirt, very Emma Chamberlain vibe. Ooh, dresses. Dresses are also really good, like a black dress and like this one. I don't need too black. It was at this point in the video when I realized that I didn't plan out the video enough. So I ended up writing a list and organizing what I needed to bring and then doing it the next day. This took multiple tries. So here's a speed round of everything I'm bringing. Okay, take 2 of packing for Taiwan. I have to whisper because my sister's sleeping, but take 2.
Hello everyone! This week I'm going to be packing for my trip to Taiwan, which is happening in like about a week. Like my flight is a Sunday, so hopefully the day after this video goes up. But I'm going to be in Taiwan for like a month, so I need to pack a month's worth of clothes, toiletries, makeup, things like that. But a lot of stuff I can get there, but still, I'm going to be showing you the things that I need to bring. So let's get started!
Alright, speed round of what I'm bringing. For makeup, this is my bag. I've been using this for forever, and inside there's all my essentials. First thing is eyelash curler. Shiseido is the best. Then mascara, then eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, lip tint that I use as blush, Burt's Bees chapstick. Okay, next, skincare. This is also my bag that I've been using since forever. Inside, my routine. Makeup remover, super important. toner for balancing those pHs, aloe, good for sunburn, moisturizer, morning moisturizer with SPF, super important, eye cream that keeps rolling away, and Cetaphil moisturizer. Okay, next up, hair care. First thing, small hair ties for braids, big hair ties for ponytails, hair curling iron / straightener, hair clip for convenience, and then next up, shorts. These shorts I showed you already, these other shorts I showed you already, plain denim shorts, leather shorts I already showed you, these ones I was wearing in the beginning. Next is pants. Taiwan is super hot, so I'm only bringing a pair of slacks. And then t-shirts. Black t-shirt, white t-shirt, green t-shirt, graphic tee, plain button-up tee, that's a little wrinkled, sorry. Plain white button-up, plain black button-up, and blue button-up, that's super handy. Next up, tank tops. If you haven't already noticed the pattern, it's a black tank top, a white tank top, another black tank top, another cream tank top actually, gingham tank top, and then next up, skirts. Black and white checkered skirt, black jean skirt, plain black skirt, and a long blue skirt. And last but not least, even though I won't be wearing these because Taiwan is super hot, a black cardigan, a white cardigan, a blazer just in case there's a fancy situation, and a fun varsity jacket. I just filmed a whole segment and it was not recording. So I'm gonna say everything again. Anyways, I just put in all the clothes in my suitcase. At least everything I've washed. So I need to wash some stuff and then I'll put everything in there. But I was looking at my organized list, my very listy list of things I need to pack, and I missed some things. When I was showing you what I was bringing, those clips weren't amazing, so I might as well just show you like this vlog style. But for like electronics and stuff, the only thing I think I missed is headphones, tripod, things like that. Chargers. Here's my list. I'm also like low-key in class, but we're watching Great Expectations and I've read it, I've watched it, so it's fine, and it's the last day. Anyways, I'll show you the jewelry I'm bringing. I have this little pouch that I use, like this. I would show you what's inside, but it's kind of messy. There's like all these little baggies in it, so I don't know if that would be really interesting. For accessories, I think I'm gonna bring 3 hats. This cream one, because it's white and it's easy to pair with everything. Black one, same thing, easy to pair with everything. And then a bucket hat, because they're so handy for trips, you know, like if I'm going out in the sun. That's fun. Maybe I'll bring like a scarf or something, one of those accessory scarves. Just for extra accessories, let's say. What else? Oh, belts. Oh, I think I'll also bring sunglasses. This is a pair I'm gonna bring, I think, because they're easy to pair with everything. And belt. Round belt, because I like the buckle, and it's same thing, easy to pair with everything. And I think I'm gonna bring this one. I think it's kind of cool. It's like a buckle belt. It kind of looks like stuff you would be moving and packing with. Oh, like a bungee belt or something. Not a bungee belt, but things that you can like pack with. But you know, I think it's a look. If carpenter pants can be a look, then construction belts can be a thing. What else? Oh, shoes. For shoes, I'm gonna bring these white ones, these black ones, and probably my Birkenstocks, because those are the shoes I wear the most. And everything. Taiwan is so handy. I can just buy whatever I need if I'm missing anything. Easy. It's not like I haven't lived there before. Pencil box. Pencil box is important. Water bottle. Where's my water bottle? And don't forget passport, wallet, things like that. Like the necessity. I don't even show you that. Mask, hair curler. I already showed you that. Oh, bags. Oh my god, I keep forgetting things. Oh my god, I really didn't show anything. Okay, bags. I'm gonna bring these 2. Tote. And a purse, and I think I have this other little mini black backpack. It's literally just a mini black backpack. It's in there, so I'm not gonna take it out. What I'm wearing to the airport is probably just an actual backpack, like this one, like the North Face one that everyone has for college. I need to check that the movie's still going on, because I don't want to be the last one in the Zoom. I've heard horror stories about that, where the people would just fall asleep and like they're the last one. That's awkward. Okay, I think that's everything. Toothbrush. Do you want to see my toothbrush? I don't really think you want to see my toothbrush. Sorry, I have to check that it's filming because I don't want to re-film everything again. Oh my god. Okay, I think I showed you everything. I have my
electronics, toiletries, shirts, tank top, shirts, skirts, pants, dress, cardigans, jackets, backpacks, jewelry, accessories, shoes, miscellaneous.
I even showed you miscellaneous. You're welcome. Okay, is that everything? That's everything. I'm gonna be going to Taiwan soon. Yay, can't wait. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for the video then. I showed you everything I'm bringing, and I'm not completely done, but I'll be done. Like, that's how packing works. You pack until the last minute. I feel like everyone does that. Like, who doesn't pack until the very last minute? Because there's some things you're still using. Like, I'm not gonna not brush my teeth. Anyways, that's pretty much it then. Thank you for packing with me. I apologize for a bit of the unorganization of the video, but I couldn't figure out a way to film this that was organized and entertaining, because trying everything on would have taken too much time, especially because I'm packing in its final season. But I hope it was still entertaining in some way. I will see you in Taiwan. make sure to subscribe.